Violin plot. Generally, we use this plot for highly skewed data like biomarker data or income expenditure. But in our data set, for practicing purpose, we will use maternal height or BMI. So already we have discussed data management part and we have saved data, dat A or dat final. We can use any data set. So we will use dat final from ABC folder. So if we open, this is the data. Here there are many variables. So we will use either BMI or height, continuous variable. So dat final ggplot AES, then y is equal to AST means height and x is equal to blank. So if we run, there is no graph because we have to type geometry, geom violin. So if we, yeah, this is the violin plot for one variable. So if we write here blank and here height, then we'll get, sorry, oh, sorry. Yeah, this is our violin plot. Or if we use WT, yeah, this is our violin plot of body weight. So if we use here a categorical variable like place, then we'll get violin plot by place of residence. We can use another variable like field is equal to ACS, another variable. Yeah, this is our violin plot of body weight by two categorical variable. One is body weight and other is ACS legend. So please pause the video and write the syntax.